Here we have the unofficial unboxing video for Metal Masters Megadeth's 16th studio album, The Sick, the Dying, and the Dead. This here is the Target exclusive edition with a lenticular cover. It's an alternate cover, plus 2 bonus tracks. So here we go. Let's unwrap it. Speaking of wrap, Ice-T does a guest spot on a song on the CD. All right, here we are. Now this is separate, this alternate cover. You can frame it or whatnot. It's pretty cool. Here's the actual CD and the regular cover. Here's the back, songs, and those 2 bonus tracks. All right, we've got the CD itself and the band, and this booklet. It's pretty generous. It's 24 pages. There you go. The song lyrics. Easy to read. It's dark. There's the band: Dave, Kiko, Dirk, and James. More about it and the thank yous. And there you have it. The brand new studio album from Megadeth, The Sick, the Dying, and the Dead, released on September 2nd, 2022. And I hope you rock out to it. Crank it up.